Grand awakening, Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, book a massage with me. Check out the ebooks, the NFTs, the music, great products are over there. Your word of the day is here and now. There is no danger. This is your moment. Once you are present, you stay in the present. You give your best in the present. Put your best foot forward in the present right now. Your future is going to be amazing. Don't worry about the future. It didn't come here yet. You have no control over of manifesting or living in the future. How you have control of your future is taking control of your present. Not living in the past. The old skin that you're in, no, you have outgrown that. You're a new person. So don't worry about the past and your past mistakes or shortcomings. Don't worry about the future and worrying if it's going to happen. No, the past you survive, and in the present, this way you prepare for a future. Be present every single day, because the smallest nail in a desk makes a huge difference and will change the whole stability of the entire desk or the entire project. So what I want you to do is focus on all the little things. Stay present every single day today, and that will manifest a perfect future that you want. Build the future that you want starting today and every day. So you're walking into the future that you desire. The future does not exist and the past is gone. I focus on the present moment. I have confidence in life again because you're in control right now, because here and now there's no danger but opportunity. And everything happens when my soul is ready. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.